Hey guys, it's Hugh here, and I want to tell you about the powerful new Advanced Analytics module add-on for TwitWorks. Now, TwitWorks itself is an amazing software engine that lets you manage your following and engage them with interesting content and tweets, basically on autopilot. But when you're using an automated solution on a very human platform like Twitter, well, sometimes things can fall through the cracks. So, for example, this is what I see in my inbox every day. It's not exactly easy to stay organized and know who's trying to contact you and who's actually reaching out to you. So with an automated solution like TwitWorks, it can actually be really helpful, in fact, probably necessary, to have some way of analyzing and boiling down all the data about your accounts to an organized format that you can look at and easily make decisions from. Now that's exactly what my new TwitWorks Advanced Analytics module can do for you. It's awesome to see your following grow and grow, but what's even better is the ability to see in an instant who your most active followers are, who's retweeting you or mentioning you, and what they're saying about you or to you, so you can respond. Now first, you'll get a comprehensive overview at a glance of all your tracked Twitter accounts, all the accounts you have saved in TwitWorks. You'll be able to see how many tweets you're putting out, which are the most popular, the best hours and days for your tweets, the most popular hashtags, your most retweeted hashtags, as well as analytics about the hashtags you're using in your tweet content. You'll be able to see which users you are retweeting or mentioning the most if you're doing that. And you'll be able to see a breakdown of the sources of your tweets. For example, your app on Twitter, or if you're tweeting manually, or even if you're using some other platform, you can see their top hashtags, the best days of the week, and best hours of the day when you get retweeted or mentioned the most, so you can plan accordingly. What's even better is that you can see a list of all the exact tweets where people are mentioning you, including the most retweeted tweets that mentioned you, and you can see exactly what they're saying about you or to you. And you'll be able to see the most favorited and or retweeted tweets where you were mentioned. Now there's an entire section that analyzes how and when people are retweeting your tweets, and you can see at a glance how many of your tweets have been favorited, retweeted, replied to, or included your links. Now you can review a list of your tweets and see how many people have favorited or retweeted for each tweet. This is invaluable data that can be used to tailor your strategies for best results. And if that weren't enough, there's a whole section on analyzing and sorting your followers so you can see just who are the most influential people following you and all the stats on each one of them, including how many followers they have, how many tweets, how many lists they're on, and so forth. You've got all this data for both your followers and those that you're following. And what's super cool about it is that, as well as the organized layout to help you analyze your own data, you can also load any Twitter user into the system and get all the exact same overview data about any user, not just your own accounts, just by clicking on their username in the listing. The amazing feature-packed TwitWorks Advanced Analytics module actually takes more bandwidth to run for you than the existing TwitWorks application, which is why I'm not going to be selling it for peanuts after the launch. But if you act now, you can get this amazing module added on permanently to your TwitWorks license for a super low one-time price or an equally insanely low yearly subscription. And believe me, it's worth every penny. Just look at what users are saying about this new analytics module.
I can sell this to my clients like gangbusters. My current clients are going to love this.
Hugh, great info in the analytics module. The data sure gives me a clearer picture of the top 5 or 10% of followers, tweets, etc. I can leverage. Great ad.
It's bloody brilliant. It's worth every single penny, and if someone doesn't get it, or whines about the price, they deserve a kick in the ass, in my humble opinion.
TwitWorks by itself is extremely powerful, but with this added analytics module, it's even 100 times more powerful. Choose your payment option below and click the buy button now to get started right away.